What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go our friend Gala Games sitting at 0.02064, down 6% on the day. Market cap 527 million, 24 volume 104 million. So a couple scenarios for Gala. The first one could be that this is our wave one to the upside, and we put in an ABC correction, and now we're pushing up in the wave three. So for that to play out, if we pull back from here, which could be likely bearish divergence, looks like Bitcoin's going to pull back, then you would need to hold in between the 50% at 0.019. Let me drop in a box. 0.01997 and the 78.6, 0.01857. Once you start to break below the 78.6, that pullback becomes unlikely, and potentially you could look at a deeper pullback. So if that were to be the case, what you could look at right here is that's your wave three. You ABC'd into a micro four. You pushed up in a wave five. You completed the wave one, and now you're going to pull back deeper into the wave two pullback. Let me quickly remove this fib. And if to measure that pullback zone, you would take a fib retracement from the start of that impulse up to the top, and you would target in between the 50%, which is at 0.01757, and the 78.6 at 0.01474. Either way, if we pull back and we start to bounce, I may look for a long off that short pullback zone. But if Bitcoin looks like it's going to see a deeper pullback, and I see Gala start to break this yellow box, then I'll look for a signal for a long in the deeper pullback zone in a wave two, right? So that would be the completion of the wave two before pushing up in the wave three. So it all depends. All you have to do is take that fib retracement from the bottom of this impulse, because what you would be looking at is right here was the completion of the wave one. You already pulled back in the wave two, right? So you're pushing up in the wave three. Let me remove that 5. It's going to be distracting. You're pushing up in the yellow wave three. So what you'd have to be looking at is a wave one to the upside, pulling back in a wave two, and then pushing up 3, 4, 5. But if that 78.6 breaks at 0.01869, it becomes unlikely. We can see a deeper pullback. I am looking to enter another long. We're already in a Gala trade. Signal was given in the Discord for $10 a month. We just hit TP1. I will keep this trade ongoing. As you can see, we have a lower high. This is a daily chart on the RSI as well as the money flow. We have had the bullish cross, so if we pull back from here, we could pull back to that bullish cross before seeing continuation. This trade will stay open. We push up to TP2. That's a 100% gain from our entry if we push up to TP2. And if we do pull back, I'll be looking to give another trade signal in the Discord for $10 a month. Spend $10 every single day. That's what I'm looking at for Gala Games. I do think the market looks like it wants to pull back a little bit. So we'll see how deep Gala pulls back, and we'll trade accordingly. All signals will be given in the Discord. Make sure to sign up to BTCC, no KYC, no VPN, for my US Canadian traders who are dying for an exchange all over the world. But I know my North Americans are struggling to find a good exchange. Come to BitConnect. My subscribers only get a 20% bonus when they deposit into their futures account. If you deposit $1,000, that's $200 completely free to trade with. $10 a month, you get my daily crypto analysis, trade setups. You get pullback zones for many pairs. My exact trade setups, crypto news. Members like to post their profits in here. As you can see, they're crushing it. And Forex signals, Forex analysis, Mahado all plays, all for $10 a month, and you get access to over 2,500 members. I mean, you really can't beat it. You spend $10 every day. All links down below. Go check them out. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.